So today I'm about to show you how to use listen and act recording in Flowith IO, step by step. If you want your workflow to respond automatically based on what you say or record, this setup will help you organize it properly. So let's get started. First, open the Flowith iOS app and go to your main workspace. Next, enable Dozer mode so you can simplify and organize your workflow layout. Once Dozer is active, clean up or group your nodes first so everything is easy to control. Now, look for Listen and Act recording inside your workflow tools or node actions. Turn on Listen mode and start your recording or voice input. Flowith will now capture your input and convert it into structured data for your workflow. After that, switch to Act mode. This is where your workflow will read the recorded input and match it to the correct node or branch. Using Dozer makes it easier because it organizes nodes before execution. So just a tip, for better results, use Dozer before starting recording. Keep your commands simple and clear, and test small workflows before scaling. And that's it. That's how to use Listen and Act recording in Flowith IO. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topic you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.